In this video, I will show you how to pay with Google Pay on Amazon. So let's jump straight into it. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to open up the Amazon app, and what's going to happen is I've added some things to my cart here. So if I go to my cart and then click on proceed to checkout, from here what I'm going to do is just scroll down and you'll see underneath payment information, if we click onto payment method, currently there's no option to pay with Google Pay. So what you want to do is actually open up a new internet browser. And you want to actually come to a website which is called g2a.com. On this website, you can buy all sorts of things. You can buy like virtual cards, gift cards, things like that. So what you're going to want to do is come to the search bar at the top, press onto that and type Amazon gift card. Now there's going to be multiple currencies, so you can see, for example, this is bringing up US dollars, United States, so that's not going to work for me because I'm in the UK. So what you're going to want to do is put your currency afterwards. For myself, it's going to be GBP for Great British Pounds, and you can see we've got a few options available. For £10, we got £20 and £25 and £5. So what you want to do is select the value, make sure you put the correct currency for your country so it's compatible in your country, and what you want to do is then select the cards that you want to buy. So I've just chosen £10, and what I'm going to do is scroll down. You can see here it says can activate in United Kingdom, so we know we're good. For myself, because I'm in the UK, this one is going to work for the United Kingdom. So what you want to do is just, if you're happy to go ahead, click the add to cart button at the bottom, and what it's going to do is add this to your cart, take you directly to the cart. So I've actually added 2 here, so I'm just going to get rid of 1. I'm just going to go down to 1. And what you're going to want to do is enter your email address, because once you've paid for this, they're going to send that to you straight away. So if you scroll down a bit more, and what you want to do is click on continue to payment at the bottom. And what it's going to do is actually give you a list of payment methods that you can use to pay for this. So you can also use PayPal, which is really good because Amazon as well, they don't accept PayPal. But you can see if we scroll down, we've got Google Pay here. So what you do is select Google Pay and then click the Google Pay button at the bottom. And once that's done, you will be able to go ahead, complete your order, and of course have that Amazon gift card emailed to your email address. So that's how you can go about paying on Amazon with Google Pay. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.